Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will unbox the Buildskill 21 volts impact cordless and brushless drill machine. We will share our first impressions about this. So let's check it out. We will share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video. If you are interested, you can find the current updated price there. This is like the first drill machine I am using. I'll use this product for a few weeks and share my full thoughts. I always wanted a drill machine like this for doing some home experiments and assembling stuff. I think now it will be a good time to get started. So let's unbox this now. The delivery associate already opened the package and verified the product. So we will just open the box now. We got the one with the BMC carry case. This is like a hard plastic material. So this is the case. We can see the Buildskill logo here. So let's open this now. So inside the box, we have the user manual, which is very important for a device like this. Then we have the charger. Then we have this battery, screwdriver bit, masonry and multi-purpose bits. And finally, the cordless and brushless drill machine. So these are the items we got. We got the BMC carry case, this cordless drill machine, 4 pieces drill bits, 1 piece screwdriver bit. This is the user manual. This is the battery and this is the charger. This is the 21 volts cordless and brushless impact drill machine from Buildskill. We have a dual speed support with forward and reverse control. We can charge this battery using this. We have the standard plug point in we can use this anywhere. Deep down, I also wish they somehow made this USB type C, but this is better too. We will see how to charge this battery now. We have to press this battery lock and we have to remove this case. Then we have to take our charger and lock it like this. We will hear a click sound. Then we can connect this to the plug point and it will start to charge. So red color means it is charging right now, and if it becomes green, then it is completely charged. And if you want to remove this, then we can press this release and we can remove this. And to connect the battery pack to our cordless drill machine, we have to first make sure it is turned off. It should not be in forward or reverse. It should be in the middle. This one, it should be in the middle. No forward or no reverse. It should be in the middle. Then we can take the battery pack and we just have to lock it like this. We will hear a strong click sound. And similarly, we can press this again to remove this. That's all. We can press this button to know the current battery level as well. We have a 10 mm keyless metal chunk at the front. We can add our screw and drill bits here. We can see the symbols here to unlock and lock this area. Right now, I'll unlock this and I'm going to add this screwdriver bit. We have to select the screwdriver symbol here. We can lose this a bit. And we can add our screwdriver. Then we can lock this. You can hear that click sound. Now it is properly locked. And I am going to do the reverse or forward action here. That's all. Now it is locked if it is in the center. And if we push it like this, it will do the reverse or forward action. We also have a small light here which comes handy during night time. So similarly, we can add other drill bits to the machine. So even though it is cordless, it is still very powerful. I'll use this machine for some time and make videos about drilling properly. Please do subscribe to get notified about that. This is ergonomic as well. I can easily use this using one hand. We can use this for wood, wall and even metal with the required bits. This is not a heavy duty drilling machine, but for home and office stuff this should be more than enough. We can carry this anywhere without searching for power socket. This is our first impressions and unboxing video of the Buildskill 21 volts impact brushless and cordless drilling machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.